Ahan, I remember some clipping I watched. Okay, he was walking. He had this Sanju Baba vibe. There was something about him.
You know, the thing is, he done all these sweet boy, romantic kind of auditions and all. और मेरी फिल्म में बैड बॉय बनना था, तो मैंने उसको ऐसे कैजुअली बोल दिया कि तुम संजय दत्त की पिक्चरें देखो, दिस दैट। उसने तो सारे चाटी, तो कभी कभी सेट पे पूरा तो थोड़ा संजू बाबा कम, थोड़ा संजू बाबा कम, ऐसे हो गया था। Yeah, he had that swag. But the hats off to the boy. He saw every film and he played the quintessential bad boy.
How did you think of Ahan? How did you land up on Ahan?
Ahan was supposed to do a film with YRF, जो कोविड के पहले बन रही थी, and because of COVID, after that, a lot of things changed, so वो पिक्चर बनी नहीं। But I think that's the best thing that sometimes you think that the worst thing that happens to you is actually the best thing, क्योंकि सब announcement के बाद, you know, I think Ajay sir was supposed to be part of the film also, वो सब announcement moments के बाद वो पिक्चर जब नहीं बनी, तो suddenly you became that boy who was getting the Yash Raj launch to suddenly being that what is happening about your career. वो जिल्लत, and I know that even Adi sir told him, if you get an opportunity, if you want to do, but he stuck around, he maintained his loyalty, kept giving auditions, he worked on his craft. I know he went through this for 7 years, 8 years. When this film happened, I found the guy for the film. कभी-कभी you feel ना, जब आपको despair आता है and you've hit this roadblock, sometimes this gap is actually, life is preparing you for something better. So I want to tell all those people out there जो आपको लगता है कि ये एक roadblock अगर आपकी life में आ रहा है, there's something else better destined for you.
So there was some comment about the fact like how we are very, very, very brutal to, you know, people who are from the industry. Their families are in industry.
Yeah. No, but the thing is, he was supposed to get launched before
Yeah.
Ananya, and Ananya, that's what happened. His film didn't happen, and Ananya's film happened. So imagine he suddenly now, because he's a cousin, he's from a film family. But yeah, did I cast him because of that?
No, you
No.
No, you know why? Because he's come well prepared.
Yeah, and he's worked hard. In fact, have I used him in the publicity of the film or his family contacts? No. So whatever the connection contacts are, they've not really been any part of this process of him being chosen as an actor. I've only taken him because he is my character. He is Krish Kapoor.
He's welcomed heavily.
I'm very glad, you know, because
Welcomed heavily. There is no comment bazi at all. There's no.
actually the truth is, yeah, for a director to judge his actors is like a mother try to judge his children. Unko to sab acha lagta hai. And I'm very biased to both of them. Like I'm very biased to Aditya and Shraddha. This is the fourth generation of, I'm very biased to Imran Ashmi, I'm very biased to Kunal Khenna, I'm very biased to Kangana.